Hello and good day to all of you. Today I'm going to explain to you a bit or a basic about this master cylinder. Alright, so you can see this master cylinder have the basic component. We have a cap, we have a reservoir, we have the brake cylinder, we have ports, we have the connector, we have the O-rings and others. Alright, I'm going to explain you function of everything, the basic component and the accessory part of it. Alright, then we're going to start with the first thing is the cap. Alright, so you can see the cap itself have two function. We have one is to, of course, the basic one is to protect from any debris or contamination entering the tank reservoir. The second is to conceal or seal down the pressure inside of this, because if the pressure is not being contained inside of this, the braking system will not work properly. And then we have the tank or reservoir. Of course, the basic thing is to contain the brake fluid and supply the brake fluid for the braking system or braking line. Then we move to the nice thing here. We will call braking fluid brake sensor. Alright, it's just to indicate to help us determine the brake fluid without seeing it directly. But for the recommended, you need to inspect this. We cannot fully rely on this sensor only, alright, because they have the indicator here as max and minimum. Alright, and a recommend level, of course, it need to be on the max level, and really we not need to avoid reaching this minimum, because if we can see, if the braking fluid is gradually lower or become less, it will indicate your brake pad is worn out or your rotor is being thinner. Alright, that's indicate for you to change the parts, maybe the brake pad or the brake disc or the rotor. And the worst part is there's been showing any leak. Alright, if your brake fluid is really start to losing out, then you need to start check your maybe braking line or hose or in the caliper itself. Alright, for any leak. Alright, then we move to this cylinder. We have the connector from the pedal actuator. We connect through here. It will push here, as you can see, it will move. Then it will connect it to the two piston inside this cylinder. We have the master cylinder and we have slave cylinder or the piston, depend on the person calling it. And the function is same. They will send the force or distribute the force to the braking light that is being assigned. It depends, but in this most of the car we can see the braking force is more focused on the front, especially for the front engine and front wheel drive. There will be more focus on the front braking. Alright, then I will move to the procedure that been carried out to take this out and inspect inside this master cylinder.